So you might be having some issues where for some reason your EarPods microphone just isn't working. Now what does this mean? Well, basically with your EarPods that I have right here, let me go and focus in on the camera a little bit. You should see that within your EarPods, this microphone right here, for those of you who don't know, the microphone is within this specific little box thing right here. So if you look closely, you should see a little microphone button. If for some reason the microphone on your EarPods are just not working, well, the main reason for this is because the connection usually on your specific lightning port or on your iPhone, if you have a headphone jack, that specific, headphone jack thing just isn't probably plugged in all the way. So what you're going to want to do is you want to grab your iPhone or whatever device you have then, and you want to re-plug it into your specific device. You then want to go ahead and if you're trying to listen to a song, if you're trying to, record audio or whatever, you want to go ahead and go back into your whatever application you're using. So in this case, let's just say we were using the Voice Memos application. What we can do is we can open up Voice Memos, and you want to go ahead and just start recording the audio again. So unplug it, plug it back in, and you want to start recording the audio again. And if you're able to go ahead and see that as I'm moving this thing around, it's recording or whatever, well then that might actually end up being the reason why that was causing the issue. So unplug it in, plug it back in, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may just want to try doing is within this specific microphone, you want to make sure you're not covering this microphone up, and you also want to make sure this specific microphone box isn't broken. A way to tell that if this button is faulty or if there's issues going on is if you can actually click some buttons on it. So if I go and click this button on it, I should be able to see like my iPhone, the volume being turned up or down. Sometimes that can happen. If I go and make my way over to my sound, you can see that as I'm clicking the buttons up on my specific EarPod thing, it's going up and down. If you're doing that and that's not working, well, that might end up being a problem. So that might mean this box is faulty and you may need to either just replace these. Another thing that can probably cause some issues is that within the particular application that you're in, you may not have the microphone settings enabled. So what you can try doing is you can go back into your iPhone settings like this. You want to find the application which the microphone isn't working. Let's say it's Snapchat. Go into Snapchat, and all you're going to want to do is make sure your microphone settings are enabled for that specific application. Chances are this option may not have been toggled, and that's another thing that can probably cause some issues too. So pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.